Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Log into the source and target with admin credentials and enable API access. This ensures Sharegate can enumerate sites. Next, build a simple mapping file for site collections and user accounts so permissions migrate cleanly. Once done, pause non-essential workflows and disable custom features that might block objects. Doing so prevents failed items and speeds transfer. Make sure to document any exceptions so you can re-enable or reconfigure them after migration. You select Sharegate Desktop and pick copy structure and content or only content depending on needs. This controls what metadata and permissions move. Then configure incremental migration to capture changes and enable detailed logging to catch item-level errors for later review. Start with a pilot subset of sites to validate settings. Once successful, scale up by running parallel jobs and adjusting throttling to respect API limits. Be aware that complex lists or large files need longer time and may require chunk transfers. You finish by running Sharegate reports to compare source and target counts for files, versions, and permissions so you can reconcile discrepancies. Once done, perform user acceptance tests with key users to confirm functionality and re-enable workflows and custom features. If items failed, consult the error report and retry only failed items after correcting mappings or increasing timeouts. This targeted retry is faster than a full rerun. One key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, export the error list, fix the route mapping, and rerun those items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.